Tech fam, welcome back to Layer Tech. The Lexus LY 650 yacht represents a new frontier in luxury yachting, blending the world-class elegance of Lexus with high-performance engineering designed for the open water. As a brand renowned for its premium cars, Lexus has seamlessly extended its legacy of sophistication and innovation to the seas. This yacht is more than just a vessel, it's a symbol of power, style, and craftsmanship, making it a must-have for those who appreciate the finer things in life and seek an unforgettable experience on the water. Luxurious design inside and out. From the moment you step aboard the Lexus LY 650, you're enveloped in an atmosphere of elegance and refined design. The yacht's sleek exterior lines are a testament to Lexus' meticulous attention to detail, ensuring that it stands out among other luxury yachts. Its modern, aerodynamic shape not only enhances its visual appeal but also contributes to its outstanding performance on the water. Inside, the cabin's design is nothing short of breathtaking. Every element has been carefully selected to offer an opulent, comfortable environment. The use of plush seating, high-end materials, and sophisticated finishes creates a cabin that feels both luxurious and welcoming. Whether you're relaxing with family or entertaining guests, the interior exudes a sense of class and warmth, making it the perfect place to unwind. Lexus designers have ensured that every square inch of this yacht reflects the brand's philosophy of craftsmanship and elegance, from the color schemes to the lighting, which sets the right mood at any time of day. Impressive performance on the water. While the Lexus LY 650 is undeniably beautiful, it is also a powerhouse on the water. At its heart are twin Volvo Penta IPS engines, which provide the yacht with a perfect combination of speed and precision handling. These engines allow the LY 650 to glide effortlessly through the water, making it ideal for both coastal cruising and more adventurous excursions into the open seas. Whether you're navigating calm waters or powering through waves, the yacht's design ensures a smooth and stable ride. The advanced onboard technology takes the experience to the next level, offering precise control and ensuring that even the roughest waters feel manageable. The LY 650 is engineered to deliver an exhilarating experience for those who enjoy the thrill of yachting, while also being user-friendly enough for newcomers to the lifestyle. The combination of Lexus automotive expertise and innovative marine engineering creates a vessel that is as enjoyable to pilot as it is to admire. The Lexus LY 650 is more than just a yacht, it's a statement of luxury and performance. Lexus has successfully brought its expertise in design and engineering to the yachting world, creating a vessel that redefines what a luxury yacht can be. With its stunning looks, high-performance engines, and lavish interiors, the LY 650 offers an experience unlike any other.